But smartphone is such a mess that it made me question what fundamental parts of a phone we truly need. Does a great phone truly need a great display, great design, and top-of-the-line specs? What if it ditched all of those things in pursuit of something far more unique and special? The Hydrogen One is defined by its ambition. It's meant to revolutionize not just phones, but all of media with a holographic display and a camera system capable of recording into this 3D format. The phone is also expandable, and Red, one of the most esteemed names in digital imaging, plans to release an add-on camera sensor that's capable of transforming the phone into a full-on cinema camera. It's an exciting prospect, but it all comes crashing down because of one immense flaw: the holographic display just isn't very good. It's a novelty. And while you can occasionally see glimmers of the potential that Red might have seen in this tech, it's certainly not present in this generation of the phone, and it's hard to imagine that potential being realized anytime soon. Good stuff: unique design, huge, long-lasting battery. Tries something new. Bad stuff: holographic display is blurry and bad. No accessories yet for expansion pins. Phone is huge and bulky. Large bezels around sub-par display. Little 3D content. Last year's processor falls far short of other $1,000 plus phones. Hydrogen One later, but for now, I'm going to jump straight into the display because that's all that matters here. On the front of the Hydrogen One is a 5.7-inch WQHD resolution LCD screen that contains the magic used to create Red's extremely hyped holograms. As a regular display, it's not great, particularly on lighter backgrounds. The pixel grid is clearly visible even at a comfortable viewing distance, and the display's backlight bleeds out from the top and bottom edges.